Welcome back to our channel. Meet the S10 Ultra, a powerful, all-in-one robot vacuum and mop that brings effortless cleaning to your fingertips. With advanced navigation, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and a fully automated self-cleaning base station, this machine is built for hands-off convenience and whole-home coverage. In today's video, we're breaking down the key features that make the S10 Ultra a serious contender in the smart cleaning space. World's first WaterRecycle system, no manual water replacement, no drainage or installation required. S10 Ultra robot vacuum pioneered the WaterRecycle system. It distills wastewater and captures air moisture to produce purified water, ensuring an endless supply. This eco-friendly design eliminates the need for water supply and drainage connections. Ultra Reach Extendable Roller Mop. This self-cleaning robot vacuum mop operates at 330 RPM, boosting cleaning results by 153%. It features 12 spray holes for a steady flow of distilled water and delivers over 7 N of consistent mopping pressure. The built-in scraper keeps the roller mop spotless, while the automatic extension allows for precise cleaning along walls down to the millimeter. 13,000 pascals super powerful suction. The industry-leading 13,000 pascals suction can effortlessly remove dust, hair, cat litter, carpet dirt, deep-seated dirt, etc. in daily cleaning. S10 Ultra robotic vacuum automatically identifies carpets and adjusts its cleaning based on preset modes. DirtScan cleaning strategy. DirtScan allows S10 Ultra robot vacuum to see and think for itself with green lights and advanced AI algorithms to clean in the most optimal strategy, achieving perfect obstacle avoidance. Combined with Apex Vision D2F LiDAR, dual 3D structured light ensures more efficient and accurate navigation, deep clean even in the dark. Dual anti-tangle design. The double comb anti-tangle main brush allows the S10 Ultra robot vacuum to easily deal with various tangles. During cleaning, the blocking comb and brush work together to effectively prevent both human and pet hair from tangling on the main brush. After returning to the base station, the robot reverses the main brush, activates the detangling comb, and increases suction to draw the hair into the dustbin. From intelligent cleaning modes to self-maintaining features, the S10 Ultra redefines what hassle-free home care really means. If you're looking for a high-performance vacuum and mop combo that does the work for you, this just might be it. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.